Hello folks, today I'm shooting the GZK Capricorn with titanium forks and an optic fibre sight. I'm at 11¼ meters and I'm shooting at the can first. I wanted to see how many times I could hit it with 5 shots. As it turned out, I miscounted and took 6 shots. I missed the 4th shot, so I got 5 out of 6 on the can. After that, I decided to see how many shots it would take me to hit the 40mm disc on the right there, and it took 2 shots. Normally it might take me 3 or 5 shots. And here's the view of me taking those shots. I'm outside because over the winter I was inside in the garage, which translates well to shooting outside, but there's obviously some differences. For example, in the garage I'll sit down while shooting, which is steadier than standing up, and of course in the garage I can only shoot at 4.75 meters, but I compensate by shooting at very small targets, and this scales up to bigger targets at a further distance. I mentioned in an earlier video that I've been following Jake Kaminsky's Archery YouTube site, and one of the things he mentioned about the stance was to keep the legs straight and contract the quads as if to pull the knees upwards into the legs. So that's what I'm practicing here, because earlier when I was doing it I'd bend my legs as though doing a partial squat. Because I've been lifting weights for a few decades, it just seemed natural to do a partial squat, but using this technique that Jake Kaminsky mentions in his videos seems to make things much steadier. So this is my 6th shot on the can. Or rather, I'm now going for the first shot on the 40mm disc, and this one I'm now aiming for the 40mm disc again, and that's when I hit the disc.